Welcome back. Now it's time to listen to mouse events, and for that I'm gonna put this here and I'll create window dot bind, and here I'm gonna put button slash 1, and it's gonna trigger the function do something. And this will listen for left mouse events. So if I go up here, if I define do something, I'm gonna print mouse coordinates plus str. We need to define a parameter here, event str event dot x plus a space plus event dot y. Let's put this in a str to convert it to a string. Now if I run this, I have a problem. Okay, so I should put here this. Let's run it. Now if I click here, as you can see, it's listening for the mouse clicks from the left hand side of the click, and it's displaying the position. So if I click here, we have 6 and 2. If I go right to the corner here, it's not working, but we get smaller numbers. If I go here, we have bigger numbers. Right, let's comment this. And I'll go down here, I'll type window dot bind parentheses double quotation marks, and I'll type button slash, not slash, line 2, and it's gonna call do something. And this, let's put a comment. This will listen for scroll wheels. So if I run this, again we have a problem. I forgot to put here this. Let's run it. Now if I scroll, we don't get nothing. Right, so let's change this from button 2 to mouse wheel. Now if I stop this, run it again, we have a problem. I have 2 here. Let's run it again. Now if I scroll, as you can see, we have the coordinates being displayed. Okay, let's close this. Let's comment this. Next, I'm gonna type window dot bind, and I'll put here button 2 I'm gonna put a comment, and it's gonna say also already have for the button 2, so here should be button 3, and it should say right mouse click. So I'm gonna put right mouse click. If I run this, if I click here, again it's not working. Okay, dummy me, I should put here do something. This is why that didn't work. So let's stop this, let's run it. Now if I click, right mouse click, now we have the coordinates. So let's close this, let's comment this. Now I'm gonna type here window dot bind and I will put here question marks, so double question marks, and I will type button release. Let's call the do something. Now if I run this, we have a problem. Okay, I should put this here. I don't know why I make so many mistakes in this video, but let's run this. Let's hold click. Now if you leave this, it has mouse coordinates 171. So this is what this is doing. Let's comment this. Then I'm gonna type window dot bind, and I'm gonna put enter do something. So if we enter the window, it will display the coordinates of the cursor. So this is what this is doing. So let's comment this. Let's move to the next one. Window dot bind quotation marks. I'm gonna type leave do something. I'm gonna put a comment, leave the window. So this is gonna be triggered when we leave the window. So let's stop this, let's run it. So if I'm here, now if I leave the window, we have mouse coordinates. Now if I leave the window here, we have 2020 and 277. So this is what this is doing. Let's comment. Let's move to the next one, window dot bind I'm gonna type motion do something. Let's put a comment where the mouse moved. So if I run this and if I move the mouse, as you can see, the callback is called and the code inside here is executed. So this is why we have that. So let me bring this here. So if I move this, we have the mouse coordinates changing. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here and I'll see you in the next